So like I just was like, oh, it's like Shiori if she like wore a wig to look like me and then had 2 broken horns instead. I
had a fantasy about that, but I'm not gonna talk about it here.
It's very hard to.
Hello everybody, back to the party. That is right, this is number 80 of Hololive clips you sent me. I'm very excited to get this one started, but before we do that, I wanted to let you guys know that I have a brand new series, and that is VTuber clips you sent me. First episode is already up on the channel. I would love it if you would go and check it out. Definitely every Saturday. Might need to do more than that. Not 100% sure yet. You guys have already sent in a lot of clips for that, so I appreciate it if you want to send in more clips. Regardless, let's get started with this reaction.
Oh, is this a chihuahua? Wait,
Doug.
It's not me.
It's not me.
No.
Whoa, is this you? Is this
Not me. It was so cute.
In your dog form? Like fully dog
It's
form?
not me.
No misunderstanding.
I'm not a chihuahua. I'm a chihuahua.
This woman is having
You have some
a
big
mental
eyes too,
breakdown,
just like this.
identity crisis right now. It's crazy.
Yeah, our colors are a little different though. I don't know, they look the same to me. What? It's the same color.
It's exactly the same. I mean, the top left one got a little red tinge, I would say. I mean, Fuwamoco is just on here 5
The
times.
neck part. I want to see this sleepy face on Fuwamoco and Mokoko.
Mokoko, I never
We
made
did.
that
I think
face,
we did get
right?
that from Mokoko.
She looks just like that. Look.
Kawaii.
Wait,
Kawaii.
Mokoko, maybe you're the chihuahua all along.
No,
I know it. You should. No.
It sounds like denial. Don't deny it, Chihuahua origins. What a sweet sleepy baby.
Yeah.
Little
Your
guy.
eyes
What
are so
is
big.
this?
A little baby man.
Wow. Thank you for sharing your Chihuahua.
Bye-bye.
Bow, 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 bye.
Bow,
Bow, bye, Chihuahua that isn't Fuwamoco or Mokoko.
Yeah.
But very possibly it is actually
No
Fuwamoco.
misunderstanding. No.
For sure. Definitely 100% no misunderstandings because it is
こんばんは、ラデンち
Fuwamoco.
ゃん。そして遅くなりましたが、お誕生日おめでとう。ラデンちゃんに出会えたことを心から嬉しく思います。本当はリアタイでお祝いしたかったんだけど、1月末に
Oh, did she
ア
play
イネコが
Coffee
休止
Talk?
して何も手
I
に
love
つかない
Coffee Talk.
状態でした。元気になったからミオを片手に戻ってきたよ。だけど完全には立ち直れてないんで語尾にニャをつけて励ましの言葉を言ってほしいです。あとシンプルにニャーって泣いてほしい。楽しいスパチャ読み中に重い話してごめんなさい。
What are
いやいやいいん
requests from
だ
the
よ。
super
そう
chat?
いうのはね、時間をかけてゆっくりゆっくり立ち直っていく方がいいと思うにゃ。これ
Oh, she did
で
it
元
though.
気になってくれるんだった
Good
ら
for
ラデン
her.
はいつでもやりますにゃけど、語尾に何かをつけることをやったことがないのでにゃしてね。絶対こんなとこに
I
ニャ
don't
入
like
らんやろ。
it. I don't know if I like it.
やばい、変な
Not
と
for
ころ
me.
にニャが入ると思うニャっちゃん。絶対違うんだけど絶対違う。だから求められてる語尾ニャじゃないと思うニャンとよ。あとシンプルに
I
ニ
don't
ャっ
like
て
it.
泣いてしで
I don't like
OK
it. Engie. Oh my god.
これはリアルなやつね。
It was right in my
子猫が
ears. Didn't like that.
って泣きます。
That's pretty. That's
で
pretty
でか
good
い
though.
猫はって泣きますね。
She's good at it. I'll give her
あり
that.
がとうございます。
100%. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad.
No, don't get close, don't get close. Ew! Ew! Ew!
Yep.
Ew! Dang, 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 dang. Doing.
It's just the noise compilation.
What?
Is this what sports games looks like now? Because that just looks real. With how like compressed down this clip is a little bit because of the zoom in, it just looks real.
You just need
Just
to
me?
shoot.
Anybody
Like,
else?
why you pass again? Dilihatin tetanggaku. Pakai earphone. Gimana caranya main bola? Kagak teriak-teriak.
She makes a good
Kagak
point.
tahu.
Wish my neighbor would use earphones. It's just noises. It's just noises. Why is she playing soccer? Simple question. Girl, same. I get it. I do. I really do. I'm not even a sports guy. He just fucking tackles him.
Forgive me, I will have them off next time.
What is that? What's a marketeer? Ew, he's scary.
He looks like a cog from Toontown. He sounds like...
What a reference.
You know what Toontown is?
Of course I know Toontown. So
Not you.
Bay, I heard that. Bay, like, what? What's Toontown?
Oh, Bay doesn't know. You know what Toontown is, Bay?
Toontown is like the coolest place.
I've never played Toontown, but I know what it
Hangout
is.
for kids.
That's like where I got banned. I got the 24-hour ban
banned?
or something. I got banned from Toontown.
Why? What'd you do?
Is it a restaurant or?
No, it was like Club Penguin or something.
Yeah, it's kind of
I
similar.
need her to say, "What's Club Penguin next?"
Yeah.
The original
What
MMO.
I would give to play Club
Toontown.
Penguin on stream.
Bay strikes again.
Could have her look at all the Holo members and say what she thinks. Wait, that's a really good idea. Have her look at all of them and
It'd be
make
kind of
assumptions.
upsetting if
But
she
started
looked
kind
at
of
someone and it's like,
watching
"I hate him."
She's kind of started watching everyone. But oh my god, did I tell you? My dad and mom were asking me. So they when I was tweeting about it being Advent's 6th month, somehow my parents were like,
I don't know if there's any in this
"What's Advent?"
clip
And I was like, "You guys are
or
joking,
in this,
right?"
in this series.
What do you
of
mean,
videos.
what's
But I think
Advent?
Narissa's mom
And I
shows
was like,
up soon.
Advent is the group I'm in, you know, Bibu, Shiori, Fuwamoco, me. What do you mean? And they're like, oh, okay. So are like the
Not
other
interested in
girls
you,
in
just the other
groups?
girls.
And I was like,
Yeah.
yes. And they're like, what are the other groups? And I was like, Myth and Promise. And they're like, oh, okay.
R.I.P.
Who's
Council.
in Myth? And I was like, bro, Google is free. Stop asking me questions. Just look it up. And they're like, well, you're right here. And I was like, so is your phone.
Yeah, but you're
Oh my
literally
gosh.
in it. You're literally there. Well, they're just fighting. Is this just like muted weirdly for audio reasons? I mean, it makes sense. I get it. It's helpful for me too. God, I wish I was Axel right now.
I told you,
hug.
man. Let's
hug.
fucking go, bro. Wrap it up, bro.
Wrap it up one more time.
Oh, that's
Oh,
clean.
yeah, one more time. Woohoo! Yeah, welcome to
Little sister
my
ruins
second
everything.
Thank you for watching our performance. いかがな
Sauntering off.
すごいでしょうね
It's just
So this
sauntering
is,
off. Crazy, bro.
Yeah, Lagos. I want to introduce you, my brother, the blue thing, yeah? Here is Brian,
You can't say
my
that.
dog.
That's you
He's
too.
a good boy. He does so good, right?
My dog.
Bark, bark.
Good boy.
And what do you mean by that?
I think that's pretty
No!
self-explanatory.
Look at our height. It's not that big difference.
Matt, you're so short.
Thank you
So
so much for joining
unbelievably
us.
short.
You know,
Thank
you
you
and
so much,
Ollie,
yeah.
thank you so
Yeah,
much.
thank you
It
so
was-
much for coming to my life. And singing Hikaru Nara, thank you so much. You guys
No,
are
no, no,
so...
no, no, no. No, 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 no.
Your 3D is very
No, 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 no.
It's Ally. I don't know who this.
Purple ball.
No. Next thing we do, what are we gonna do?
I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank
She's
you so
so
much from the
freaking
bottom of our
smart.
hearts for being here. I hope you guys all enjoy.
play. You guys boring. Bruh. So wanna play.
Here, how about this? I've saved a really, really important mission at the guild, and I think you would like it. It'll be your first solo mission.
Little stompies.
What do you mean, guys? What you guys mean solo?
For a lost child, Kobo Kanaeru. Kobo Kanaeru. Please report to the front desk. Child by the name of Kobo Kanaeru.
Child by the
What
name.
my name?
You heard that?
I think,
Get out of here.
Am I that famous?
Gerchapa!
Huh? What does it Gercha boy mean?
It means
It's time to go. It's
Time
time
to
to
go,
go.
baby.
No.
Bye
I don't
bye.
wanna go.
Kobo, I'm
True
gonna
baby.
push you out.
True water baby.
Go, 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 go.
Okay,
Alright.
don't forget to subscribe my channel,
my God.
Kobo Kanairu, and the third desk,
Hi, hi,
my
hi.
Twitter,
Go, go, go,
my
go, go.
TikTok,
Bye, 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 bye,
my
bye, bye, bye.
Instagram too,
Bye.
yeah.
Hey, hey, hey,
My
hey, hey,
social
bye.
media.
Bye, 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 bye.
Okay, guys, don't forget that.
Oh my gosh. Dude.
Then they just start making out.
第一印象
Now that they're
今の
alone.
印象を教えてください。
ってこと
Sorry,
は
I
デビュ
drifted
ー
off there for a
デ
second.
ビュー配信この子かわいいなーって思ってた
うれちゃ
この子かわいいなーと と思いつつ、
うん
何言ってるんだろ
え、ほ
うって思いました。
え、ぺーちゃん、それは、そう、ネタとかじゃなくて、
ネタじゃなくて、時々、
じゃなくて、
うん、デビュー配信で、時々ね、何言ってるんだろうって思ってた。でも、で、その後、まあ、カラオケ配信もしてたよね。
してもした。
うん。で、カラオケを聞いてて、わー、声もいいな。
今は、
今
well, they're in an idol group, so I better hope she's got a good singing
かわ
voice.
いいな。お互いの見た目の好きなところだってなんか全部
I think I'm realizing I only find Bae cute when she's speaking in Japanese.
まあ全部はそうなんだけど
I don't think of her. I mean, listen, she's cute, but I don't think of her as
は
cute
じめなんか
usually.
お顔周りが好きかも。
Anyone else? Is that just me?
あとその胸の入り方。
胸の入り方。超ディテール、細かいところ
そう
選んだな。
なんか胸と脇の間みたいなとこ。
あー、なるほどね。
ここめっちゃいいな。べーちゃん意外とある？
意外がいらないし。意外と。
She does not even the armpit, just
初め
between, just like
それ
here.
オーバーサイ
Just
ズ
like here.
今着てるのは。
ちょっとオーバーサイズかな。
うん。
Nope.
ある？
いやいや、ありますよ。初めはあります
Editor, really going at
ありますか？
it right now.
え、べーちゃんよりあると思うな。
それはないと思うけど。
Dice.
Crazy,
I
bro.
do want to say we're at the hour and a half.
I don't
mark,
think
and I
the
do
second.
wanna
I don't
take
think
a
the zero,
moment of
the eye hole in the
everyone's
24
time
works.
to commemorate 2023, and I put together a little thing of the folks we lost in 2023. We're gonna carry over very briefly, and then we will continue.
Okay.
Mr. House?
How'd you lose your card, Sheree?
I was having in the flat. In the chat, please.
It's you playing there.
Okay, so I broke the previous kazoo, so I bought a new one, and then I recorded it last night. Oh shit! I forgot to put Jerry in there.
You forgot Jerry.
Nah, forget. Doesn't
We
matter.
actually did forget. Oh my god.
Listen, I forgot.
Really?
Let's commemorate all the people that we lost. I
I
forgot.
Listen, I forgot a few.
Hey,
It's been a
fuck
long
Jerry.
year.
After a thing like that plays, right? Usually people say lost,
I have no idea who
but
Jerry
not
is.
forgotten.
That is true.
Oh shit, you're right.
I mean, I didn't forget the people I added, and so they weren't forgotten.
He's making a good point. Listen, he makes a good point. Not gonna lie.
Okay, let's play something fun.
What do you want to play?
No.
Jump.
Scissors, paper, rocks.
Scissor, pepper,
Immediately went with it.
Let's play leapfrog.
This is rock, paper,
You get to
scissors.
go on the ground.
Yeah,
Come on, buddy, come on.
Yeah, let's go.
I see where this
You
is.
go
Hold
first. You
on.
go first.
Dude, I'm a bit. I gotta like.
Let's go.
Shiny jump. Go, 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 go. Oh shit.
Oh my god. Let's go. Careful.
Oh yeah. Your line. It's our line. It's our line.
It's our line.
Axel, are you ready? Hold on. On a serious note, though,
I've never been
thank you so
embarrassed
much
to be
for
a
joining
Hololive
us.
fan
You know,
before.
you
It's
and Ollie,
crazy.
thank you so much.
Thank you so
It's
much
crazy,
for
bro.
coming to my life.
Oh my god.
Okay, you guys.
Wild.
Are we ready to take a little bit of a look? We're gonna go real slow, and it's gonna be
Don't say it like
infuriating.
that.
You're just gonna be at the edge of your seat the entire time. There is a high chance I fuck this up. Hey, wait, Moody.
What
Moody
the hell,
eyeshadow.
man?
Wow. My hair kind of looks
Damn,
the
he's
same.
fucking.
You know what?
He's
Hang on, let me
Hysterian now.
just zhuzh it up a bit. Ah.
Oh my God,
That's
pirate
better.
Hysterian.
Now I just look like a sexy pirate. Now I'm just a sexy
You've always
pirate.
been a sexy pirate to me, man.
I'm confused. Yeah. Then she takes my
This is too sexual for the doggos.
Oh my god.
It's too much. They're gonna die.
What do you mean? What do you
Oh no. What do you mean? What do you mean? Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, Rubius! Was that a heartbeat? I can feel the
I can hear it.
I can feel the pulse of a heartbeat in the palm of my hand! What is going on?
Usually that's a threat. But in this scenario, it's kind of hot. I guess.
No, you're pretty close if you can feel that hot!
Oh my God. That's fucking crazy,
Definitely
bro.
find myself attracted
Could have been
to
me.
her
Should have been
perfectly
me.
proportioned body and beautifully sculpted features.
Playing.
Right along our girlfriend! As she's practicing... she's practically throwing herself at me till it looks Moko-chan, you're the one in control. No, I'm
Sleep
not
with
in
her.
control!
Sleep with her.
I can't
Do it.
press it! I can't
Do it.
press it! Moko-chan, I can't press it! The mouse! I can't press
Join me. Do it.
touch the monitor! I hug her tightly, almost clinging to
Was she
her.
touching the monitor again? Chihuahua, you can't do that.
Is it okay? Is it okay? Is it okay?
大丈夫です。
It's deja vu.
Don't say that to me! Don't say that to me! It's okay, because you said so.
Fucking crazy, bro.
Dude, someone posted on Twitter today. I saw a post that switched around the eyes of all of Advent.
I hate
think
that.
Bibu had my eyes. I
That
had
is
Shiori's
terrible.
eyes. Shiori had Bibu's eyes, and Fuwamoco's eyes were swapped. And I never realized how important Fuwamoco's designs are. That their eyes are the colors
don't
that they
look
are,
correct.
and not. I don't know why. Like all of us looked cursed, but somehow Fuwamoco just looked so wrong to me. Like they were borderline unrecognizable. Just changing their eye colors. I can't explain how. I can't
I
explain
hate it.
how.
I literally
it killed
hate it.
me. It
It's the
killed
worst thing
me.
I've seen in my life.
I literally died.
And I hate that whoever made
at
this
looking at
exists.
it. I haven't seen it. Don't go looking. It literally a crime. Fuwaba is meant to have her pink eyes, and Mokoko is meant to have blue eyes. If you make their
They
eyes,
are, and they're
if you make
beautiful.
Mokoko's eyes pink and Fuwaba's blue, it just looks wrong. I don't think Bibu looked cursed. Bibu just looked like
Are
she
you
could
sure?
eat you in one bite. Like if you looked at her
It's
the
not
wrong way,
cursed?
like her jaw would detach and her head would turn really giant, like in an
Are you
anime
saying
fashion,
she can't do that
and she
normally?
would just
Because
like
I think she could.
devour you and be like, what a nice snack.
I
Like
think she
that's the kind of scary.
I think
that
she
she
could do
looked.
that
Shiori,
on her own.
Shiori looked cute. Shiori always looks cute though. It's hard to uncute
always looks
Shiori.
cute.
And I just had Shiori's face, so like I just was like, oh, it's like Shiori if she like wore a wig to look like me and then had 2 broken horns instead. I
had a
don't know why
fantasy
they
about
broke
that, but
both
I'm
my
not gonna
horns.
talk about
it's
it
very
here.
hard to uncute Shiori. She's just so cute. She's so cuddly.
It's accurate. I'm not gonna lie. Risa be spitting facts right now.
Thank you. Jordan, thank you. Cameron, thank you.
I asked my girlfriend to cosplay you on Valentine's Day.
to cosplay you on Valentine's Day, and it seems I've been blocked by her everywhere. Any advice? I don't understand women.
Well, is she a cosplayer? Because then it'd be fine. If she's
God.
not a cosplayer,
Ah,
not a great look, my guy.
I don't know how to respond to that. On one hand, I'm very flattered, but on the other hand,
Ew.
go apologize to your girlfriend.
How can he? She's blocked him. Fucking L, baby.
I have no further advice.
There's no advice to give. He's fucked. It's over.
バナナの謎はまだ謎なのだぞ。
バナナの謎はまだ謎なのだぞ。
おお、完璧やん。
もち
Pretty good.
もち。バナナの謎はまだ謎なのだぞ。バナナの謎はまだ謎なのだぞ。
That's about what I was expecting.
ネリさん。
ミコ先輩。
バナナの謎はまだ謎なのだぞ。
バナナの謎は
Banana.
まだ
They've turned into the minions, I'm pretty sure.
オッケーオッケー。
あらら。
Hello. Ready?
Banana no nazu wa mano mada nazo nano dazo.
Banana no nazu wa mano mada nazo nano dazo.
Yeah, I think.
What?
Come on, faster. Okay, remember this. Banana no nazu wa mano mada nazo nano dazo. Okay?
Banana no mada nazu wa
No.
mada nazu
Banana no nazu wa mano mada.
You're not supposed to help her. Say it once.
Banana no nazu wa
Mano mada nazo nano
It's
dazo.
crazy.
banana wa nazu wa mada
Mano.
Banana no nazu wa nano
Mano?
Banana no
Mana.
nazu wa mano
Madam nazo nano dazo.
Mother.
Mada
Mother.
Yeah.
Mana no nazu wa mano mada
I've heard there's just so much into it. I have absolutely no idea how close they even are to the beginning anymore. It's gone.
mano mada nano
I'm gonna go crazy.
mada nazo nano dazo.
This is what they show
Yeah. Okay.
people in Alcatraz when they're torturing them.
Alrighty.
It's
Thank
crazy,
you
bro.
very much for round 2. Cover, can you please tell the class what you heard?
Banana nano nazo
What?
mano zazo.
だら。ミコ先輩は何聞こえましたか？
はい、バナナの謎はまだ謎なのだぞ。Yeah, that.
Yeah, that wasn't
mean,
even
it's-
close, Cobra.
I don't know. Sounded the same to me.
Oh, I have to be a little careful about sounds. I realized that on Twitter there's a clip going around of me from Lethal Company, and
I need
I
context.
saw it. I saw the clip on Twitter, and I was like, oh, get some help. Yeah, get some help. Everyone.
Get some help.
Could you elaborate? No,
I need
because
the
I don't wanna
elaboration
bring
right now
attention
because
to
I'm
it.
missing it.
But talking about it will bring attention to it anyway. So
So you better might as well say it.
maybe I actually shouldn't have said anything.
If it's not here, someone needs to link it to me. Oh,
People just make noises all the time. If you
I mean, still link it to me.
it sounds sussy, maybe you
Just saying.
have a problem.
For no particular reason.
Don't let them win. Yeah.
Bow, 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 bow.
Okay, next thing, Super Chats will only be open for a really short period of time, probably like a minute.
Oh, this.
Maybe 2 minutes.
I heard
don't
of
know
this.
yet.
I heard about this.
But very
2 minutes.
short amount of time, and that'll be it. And it'll probably be enough to cover a few streams. So if you want something, make sure you have it prepared.
Is she still working
again,
on these?
I will give you a heads up when it opens. So please be aware. I'll do a countdown. Stay vigilant. I'm gonna do it. Okay, hold on. It says it's open. It says Super Chat on. There we go. I don't want to look. I'm not gonna look right now. Okay, 35 seconds. Okay, like a minute from now. Okay, close the gate.
Hey, maybe I should do this stream.
The gates are closed.
Maybe I should do that.
What? How did you do
Did I
that in a
say 4
minute?
million? Is that what that said?
What? How many is this? It's like over 400. Okay, that's cool. No, that's fine. Thank you.
Almost
Hopefully some of
5.
you have some.
Bro.
I appreciate.
She found the infinite money glitch. That's crazy.
Just like a letter in their name. We're moving now.
Speaking about giving money, if you want to become a member, it's only $5 a month. Get early content, extra content. Name at the end of every video. Just a thought. Zodia. I need to get it back into Master Duel. It's been a while.
エグゾディアの体たちをペコーラはゲットしてくる。
さあ、取れるのか、揃えられるのか、お前に。
揃えるよ。 揃えるに決まっとる
ちょ
や
っと焦ってんじゃないの？
ろ。焦ってね。まだ全然焦ってもね。
のなんか揃えてきてるの。ガードオブ
They are gathering for sure.
このフォーミュラーシンクロン。これ。
フォーミュラーシンクロン。
What the fuck even is that?
お前シンクロ将軍。まさか何を出す気なんだ。
集いし星が新たな力を呼び覚ます。
あ、読んでる。
フォーミュラーシンクロン。そしてこいつをドローする。
出てこねえから。
Yu-Gi-Oh's so much more complicated than it used to be.
効果発動。
Crazy.
おー、待ってよ。今何枚 ?1、2。
何を数えているんだ。
待てよ、これ。
I'm sure. I understand Exodia, but what the fuck was formula synchronization or whatever?
欲しいカードが出ない。
でこれ、お前主人公の力を見せつけろ。出ないと次のターンこのトレパンが死んでしまうぞ。
やばい。いける。これや。
行くしかね
え。
Oh. Wait, what the fuck?
何今待って何で死んだの今。
ミスった。
今
Did she just kill herself?
いい感じができなかった。
What the fuck, bro? She just did
Saw the clip.
reverse
I'm not lying,
Exodia.
that's
That's
kinda hot.
crazy.
Daku, stay away from my brother. Stay away.
Can I have your brother?
He's not allowed to date. He's too young. I know my brother
How old is he?
realistically is an adult, but in my
Is
head,
an adult,
my
so at
brother
least
is
18.
still 10. No matter
That
how
boy's
old
allowed
my
to
brother
date.
gets, he is
It's okay.
always 10. And
It's okay.
I
Let him
can't,
date.
I just
Let
can't,
the boy
I can't,
cook.
like, I realize he's old enough to drink alcohol. He
Oh,
has
bro's
been for a
21.
while, and I'm just like, I can't. He's not allowed to drink. He's not allowed to drive. He's not allowed to do anything. He's a kid. I'm pretty sure Aradia specifically feels that way about me too. I'm pretty sure she looks at me and is like, that girl, she's 10. She can't do anything. Rip the Yofi. I mean, if Yofi wants to marry him, I will let her. She is
only one allowed.
She gets a pass.
You know what? Fair.
Brocon, no. Don't miss on guys. You clearly do you not have siblings? Do you not know what it's like to have a younger sibling? Because if
I'm
you
the
did, you'd
youngest.
understand.
I'm the youngest
when
in
you
my
have
family.
that baby sibling,
I don't
but
think I
you
have.
were originally the baby,
I don't think
especially.
it's-
You're
I
like,
think it's fine.
oh, that's my baby sibling. I need to protect them with my life. And then, you know, you go through life with them. You watch them grow up. You grow up with them because you're both kids.
I mean, I think
you, like,
him
are
not being
very
able to date
protective
anyone
over
but
them,
Yofi is
you
not
know?
like a bad thing.
Nah, because I'm the youngest sibling. Okay, I see.
not like a bad
But yeah,
thing.
I hope he can find
That's
a
like a
good
win
wife
in my
someday.
book.
But currently, I just worry about him all the time. I hope he moves out.
I hope he moves
Not because
out.
I want him to leave or anything.
You're still there.
But because, you know, maybe then I can
You
stop
leave.
seeing him as a baby. But currently he's a little guy. Just give him to Iofi. I'm trying. Iofi senpai, where are you? Come take my brother. Please get him out of my hair.
Move him all the way to Indonesia. He'll be gone. He'll be fucking gone.
Thank you very much. Next.
You earn $2 million each year, but you have to lick strangers' feet 5 hours a day.
You earn $2 million each year, but you have to lick strangers' feet
Well, I'm
5
gonna
hours a
fucking
day.
buy some mints then,
Oh my
because
God.
I'm gonna do it. Oh, she's joking. That got her. She's gone. She fucking left.
I actually just gagged. That's
You're not supposed to put it in your mouth. You're just licking it.
5 hours a day. Licking anything for 5 hours a day is already... Bro, what are you doing? Licking strangers' feet? No,
I mean, after the first hour, are they really a stranger?
And you only earn 2 million a year. Is this your job, just to lick
What do you mean
strangers'
only?
feet for
That's a
5 hours
lot.
a day? It's disgusting.
Not all of us are rich streamers, bae. That's a lot of money. She's gone.
I actually just gagged. My goodness. Next.
It's crazy. I would do it. Can I do it just for 1 year and then call it quits after that? Do I only get 2
Comedian,
million?
idol, pro choreographer, cute, question mark, gamer girl, and chef. Please, babe, you gotta stop being so perfect. Why is there a question mark next to cute? Honestly, if you
back
put
to what I
the
was
question
talking
mark
about
next
earlier.
to pro choreographer, that would be
I don't
more
see her as
accurate.
cute.
Because I'm not a pro choreographer. I'm barely a choreographer. But why is it
She's
next to
cool.
cute? Oi, 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 oi. What's that supposed to mean? Excuse me.
I get it.
He's
Cute.
unsure.
Cute,
What's there
maybe?
to be unsure about? What do you mean? It should be next to the gamer girl. Okay, I would accept
I would
it
put
if it was next to the
Bae
gamer girl.
more in like the hot category instead of the cute category.
Bae, act cute now. Prove it.
Am I not cute? You
Ruined
really
it.
hurt my feelings.
It's actually worse now. Cringe.
Punchable! Stop!
Like I said, the Japanese is cute. That's it. Not even hot anymore. She just ruined it entirely. It's crazy.
Go back. Go back. I'm sad.
What's up? I am Chaos, the end of ends, Silver's trapped in a cage of ice. Your best friend, Belle, take us fully in.
Is this her new Chuny intro? Also, I think the title said for a non-existent fighting game. There's absolutely a fighting game.
Belle, take us fully in. Witness me! Belle, take us fully in.
Step bro, no.
Witness me. Belle, take us
Please do it at the bottom. She didn't even damage the crap. She's bigger than the stadium.
Come get some! Belle, take us fully in!
Why is this so hard?
Belle, take us fully in!
There we go.
God damn it!
What the
You
fuck,
guys,
bro?
I
That was
opened up
crazy.
Minecraft and
What the hell?
I saw that an Enderman had placed this block, I'm pretty sure, and freed my sheep. So there's some missing sheep
That's
now.
crazy.
I have a couple.
fucking
so I
jailbreak.
resealed them off.
It's him. He's gonna do it again.
blocks So that they will not be freed anymore. Also, when I logged in, there was
He was holding
literally
another
a
vlog. He's gonna
creeper
do it again.
taking a bath in here. I felt so like the creepers are just using the inside of my tree as their own personal like spa getaway, romantic spa getaway. Like, you see this?
I mean, it's nice.
And then one of them was
Look at
taking a
him.
bath in here. It's not your pool. It's not your spa. I'm trying to do work.
Any bottle, a bottle of water is a spa.
Are they also on a date? What
Oh,
the heck? Why are there
cute.
so many creepers on dates in my
Hawaii.
tree? It's like the hot spot for creeper dates. Did you see that?
Why are there so many creepers
Another couple.
in a date
They're
on my
leaving.
tree is a
We need
light
to
novel
make
title.
this like the atmosphere is obviously too romantic. How do we make it?
I'm pretty
like,
sure Fauna's
as
been building this tree for
uncomfortable
like
as
a year
possible?
now.
I don't know. I guess the sound of the sheep doesn't deter.
Every
them
time I'm seeing her play
all that
Minecraft,
much.
it's just the tree.
I keep thinking every green pixel is a creeper. Even my own hair looks like a creeper.
There's only green.
Survive and Fauna's placing torches. Is this a real Fauna stream? I've changed. It's all thanks to those dang romantic creepers who are trying to have dates in my tree without my permission.
Them
Isn't there
damn pesky
someone
kids.
You forgot to ask? Hunt single creepers
Jesus.
in your area for explosive romance.
It's literally she's like
Are they
Creeper says I consent.
are.
Creeper I
Those
consent. Fauna I don't.
Moving in my tree? Can't believe
Crazy.
this. I'm sure
Disgusting even.
Mes sablings.
Whoa.
Devant you.
Oh my god.
Ah, Harry. La ville de l'amour. Don't mind that we are not in Paris, but Venice.
I didn't even question it, if I'm being honest.
Paris, the canals of Paris.
Nope.
And I will be your gondolier.
Why didn't you just say Venice?
I will be driving this gondola. Thank you for joining me. I see you're on a nice date yourself.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Together.
I'm alone. You're my date.
Provide you with a romantic evening. I will be your guide and your singer to set the mood.
Your singer.
The tourists, I know, they're taking pictures. You guys, I don't know, are they taking pictures of you guys or of me instead? Look, there they are. They're all filming. Well, I hope you
Is this just on a loop?
Watch where I'm going. That's your guys' job. Let me know if I'm about to run into something. Casting a spell. I'm not casting a spell. I'm paddling. Somebody's got to paddle here.
Casting spells.
Keep your eyes on the water. Hey, don't worry about me. I've done this route so many times. I don't even need to look. I know it by heart. This is another magic trick. Stop saying I look like a wizard. I'm obviously a gondolier.
You're absolutely casting a massive spell. They're definitely looping, but it's not a long
Pictures of
loop.
what gondoliers wear, and they sometimes wear straw hats like this. A farmer hat? I'm a druid? No! I'm not a druid. I'm a gondolier.
You are absolutely a
I'm a
druid.
gondolier.
No, liar. You can be both. I don't see why you can't be both. One is not exclusive.
Pat, 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 pat. There. There. me typing on you like you're a keyboard. There.
That's all I've ever wanted. That's all I've ever wanted.
Gow, gow.
Gowl, gowl.
Roar, roar. This is an interesting angle. Right? Is it scary?
No, you could never. Well, I mean, that's fair. That's not true.
You're turning the music off and on again. Hold on, where's the camera? Always know where the camera is.
She's right. Actually, that is
How
a
do you blow kiss? Are you
that's a
actually
rule.
supposed to blow on it? Like
You're
that? Like it's soup?
No. Little extra wet
That
kiss.
POV, your soup that's too hot. ASMR.
It's the worst
Do we, like,
ASMR.
free-run?
That is the worst. What? Oh.
Mwah. Doesn't she wink?
Choo.
Oh. That?
Fauna wink. The rare fauna wink. I love that deer.
What?
Oh, I forgot there was like a versus mode. It's crazy.
Is it gonna be okay? I don't know if it's gonna be okay.
I need every time I see Suika, I'm like, I need to play this again.
It's not okay anymore. Oh no.
I need Suika 99, and I need it now.
Why? I was just doing my thing, and now look at that.
And now look at that. She's so mean.
Okay. No! How is that allowed? No, touch please, please.
It's going the wrong way. I don't think it's gonna. Well, she's actually kind of forcing it to touch. Which is not a good sentence to say.
Please go!
Her desperation, I love it.
Yeah. Okay. I gotta hurry. I gotta hurry too.
What?
That was...
How did that? That was definitely not over.
Okay. I have something to say because Ruffians, if you're watching, that was cheap. That was cheap. Was no, it said the pineapple and that to me all the time. No.
No. It didn't even look like it went over the line. I mean, it might have, but I certainly would have missed it.
No, it sent me the pineapple right on top of everything. How am I
Well, Coco can definitely dish it, but she cannot take it.
I was doing well. No, she did not win fair and square. No. I love fair and square. This was not fair. I am not coping. That is the truth. And you know it.
No, she's not coping. She's Mococo.
I don't need a do-over. I was doing well.
Angie. Angie puppy. Angie puppy.
Anyway, about Narissa's parents. Did any of us mention this? When we were in the Maldives, Narissa had a call with one of her sisters, a video call. And she was like purposefully for, I guess, my privacy and all that. She wasn't like trying to show me or anything. And she wasn't even trying to involve me in the conversation. But I involved myself anyway. Because like they were saying goodbye at some point. I was like peeking my head in. And I'm like, hi. Because I thought I should greet. I'm in the same room. I should say hi. So I talked a little bit with one of her sisters. And I saw her room. I'm not gonna comment on that state of the room. But she was really sweet. She was really nice. And I did
The
feel
state
like
of
they
the
had
room. I
lots
think
of
by saying that, we know the
similarities,
state of the
facial
room.
structure. It's nice talking to her family, but that's the only family member I talked to. And then her father indirectly told me to come visit them anytime. I'm always welcome, and you know, shooting range is always open.
Whoa, what do you mean?
But I think it's so funny how, because I involved my mom before, yeah. Callie involved her mom too before, but Narissa is involving her huge family. She has so many family members appear on her stream. It's crazy.
I mean, I think at this point we've only not gotten the dad
I don't know if it was the
and
first,
bro.
but it was definitely not
I don't think
too
they've showed up
common
yet.
at the time. It was definitely still very,
Well, I guess maybe we've heard
like a unique thing
voices,
to
but not
do.
like on stream. On
ジ
stream.
ル君の写真、ね、ジル君やなんかさ、エゴサしてたら、なんか
I was
ジル君
ego
も
surfing. No, I get
みたいな
it. I
ジ
do,
ル
I
君
get
も生
it.
きてねえよみたいな感じのなんかツイートがリツイートすんごい多いの見てジル君生きとるよと思って、あ、これあれだな、そろそろジル君の写真出さないと本当に死んだことにされると思って、いつアライブってつぶやいたら海外に来たちが喜んでた。生きとるやん。
If I don't say anything, they'll think he's dead, so I'll just say he's alive.
生きとる生きとる
That's worse.
なんか
It makes me think he might have died or gotten close.
いつも殺されてるからな、ジル君が。そう、猿が死んでることにされちゃうから。そう、笑っちゃいけないんだけどさ、ネタとしては面白いじゃん。
Why does she own a monkey, by the way?
久しぶりにあげてみた。
Why?
喜んでたわ。お、ジル
Is that how is that legal? Can you just own monkeys in
ペコちゃ
Japan?
んの配信はジル君がやってることになってるペコ。あ、なんかそれ見た見た。ジルがやってないよ。ペコーラがやってるっちゅうのに。
Didn't she say she wanted a horse at some point? How did she end up with a monkey?
オッケー。完璧か完璧かつって。ペコーラの代わりに配信してることになるの。どういうことだよ。もしかして今ジル君があって。ジル君
Right
は
now.
楽しそうにピョンピョン
Becker hasn't streamed in a long time. It's been Jill the
笑
whole
い方
time.
猿っぽいしなって。ふざけんなよ。ジル君とコラボ、ジル君コラボできるわけないやん。喋らないもん。ジル君の動画、あ、今度動画撮るか。でもね、ジル君っていうかね、まあお猿さん得意なのかもしれんけど、ぴょんぴょんぴょんぴょん飛んでさ、じっとあんましないんだよね。なんかペコーラの体の、なんていうの、ところに止まってる時だったら全然あるんだけど、それは動画に撮れないから。そうだからおやつ食べてる時とかだったらいけるかもな。ジル君夜行性。だからお昼とかの時は寝てること多い。もう夜すごい元気。夕方ぐらいからもう元気だね。
I would hope Becker was also active at night. Otherwise, that'd be a pretty rough pet to have. If they're
こ
only
の
if
さ
they're
寝床
nocturnal.
はね、マミーがね買ってくれたの。目でかくね、そう目がでかいんだよ。そこが可愛いんじゃん。
スタート。ヨダ
I'm
先
just so
生、
shocked she
原
owns
稿
a
は出
monkey.
来上がりました
It's
か
crazy.
ちょっと行き詰まってるかな。
そうなんですか。大丈夫ですか。
いやちょっとまあ行き詰まってはいるけど、やっぱりアシスタントがいてくれることが心が強くて、なんかちょっと安心したかも。ありがとうね。
あ、よかった。そう言ってもらえて光栄です。何か困ったことがあったら手伝いますんで、いつでも言ってくださいね。ヨダ先生。
ありがとう。じゃあ一つお願いしてもいいかな。
Don't give me the sinister music. I don't like it.
フレンドリーだね。
ごめんなさい、間違えました。なんですか？
そうだな。僕ずっと孤高の漫画家として一人で漫画を描いてきて、アシスタントを雇うのが初めてなんですけど。
あ、そうだったんですね。
これから僕の人生もアシストしてくれないかな。
Oh shit! Oh my god, the wink.
はい、わかりました。じゃあどうやってアシストすればいいですか？
そうですね。結婚。
Oh my god.
先生、漫画描いてください、漫画。そんなこと言ってないで。先生、漫画描いてください。こんなね、誰事言ってる場合じゃないんですよ。締め切りは迫ってきてるのに。誰事言ってるんですか、先生。
Wow, this relationship turned around very quickly.
たまらないね。
Oh,
ド M じゃねえか、お
it's
前。
not.
先生、興奮してないで筆を進めてください。
She's just like me for real.
はい、よかったら熱いお茶を入れてきてもらえるから。はい。
I didn't know I was Aokun.
You and me have both just woken up.
Okay, from how many hours, Kosuke Biju?
I got up 30 minutes ago.
How many hours were you in REM sleep?
Oh, I don't know. How many hours were you in REM sleep?
Are you gonna change your answer based on what Bae says?
Can we change the topic? Not about sleeping though.
You first.
I fell asleep.
Bae
at
sounds like she
8
didn't
a.m.
sleep.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 7 hours.
That's pretty good.
More than double my time.
More than double.
Pat, pat.
Oh no.
Who are you?
I'm
Who
out of
are
this
you?
room. Oh yeah, introduce yourself and tell us how many hours of sleep you got.
Hello, hi everyone.
This should be the standard from now on. Because I feel like it's probably a big problem for most of them.
And how many hours did you get of sleep last night?
She actually got a lot last night though, she said.
Oh yeah.
8 hours in 5 days.
8 hours in 5 days? I don't know.
That's not okay.
Don't judge me, don't judge me, don't judge me, I'm fine.
No, you're not.
Kofana,
You're
I'm
actually
so
not
fine.
fine.
I promise. And I got a cool
That's crazy,
9
bro.
hours of sleep last night.
Oh my
Fauna just like me for real.
9 hours.
Fauna, the healthy one. Bibu's pretty close. 7's pretty solid for most people.
I think people might try to eat Bibu though, because her feet look like rock candy.
Oh yeah, don't talk about my feet here. It's not safe. It's been very dangerous for the past few days.
Yeah.
I mean, I would just take a piece of her crown.
Though. Like
They
all
have
the
clink
minions.
sounds.
Clink, clink,
Okay,
clink.
yeah, it's kind of funny, but yeah.
I like that they're putting that. I hope they keep putting sound effects for all of us, though, too.
They did.
Yeah. What did I have one?
Yeah, you know, like when there's when you're stepping through wet floor, like a little squish sound.
What?
But this is more like cartoonish.
Why
So
did
it
I
kinda
get a
makes
squish
sound-
sound?
Why?
I thought
Because
it
you're
was a
squishy.
boing, boing, boing sound.
Like a Squidward sound. Yeah, like a SpongeBob SFX.
What the?
You wear heels, right, Narissa?
Yeah.
Once you're stepping
Heels can be pretty
through,
loud.
like, for ASMR,
They're clicky.
because like you know
Yeah.
the clackety heels. I love like clackety heel sounds. Yeah.
But I think
Unless
they
you're
should
stepping
ignore
on
that
whoopee cushions.
and just make
Oh.
my boob sound.
What?
You know, the
What?
end of
Sound?
boing sound.
They make sounds.
Fuwamoco
Yeah.
doesn't know what she's talking
The
about,
boing
obviously.
sound.
There's a boing sound.
Yeah.
Like a boing boing.
Well, don't zoom in on
No,
Mokoko.
you
She wouldn't
cannot
know.
sit here and act like you don't know what the boing sound is when you guys play visual novels.
Wait.
I'm sure I've heard it, but I cannot think of it.
No,
Oh, that?
I want
Okay.
for you like a water balloon sound.
What the water balloon?
Like sloshing or like the
My
impact?
big bahanga jongas that sound like water balloons.
Yeah, and then you could take like a needle and
Oh my god. Oh,
I'm being protected by Fuwamoco from
Oh.
Shiori.
protecting.
Protect my smile, Fuwamoco.
Protecting. I don't know. My crown's pretty pointy. Narissa, come here.
No! Ah! Bibu's trying to pop my
Oh,
balloons.
no, it should have been me. All right, everybody, that was another Hololive clips you sent me. Thank you so much for sending in all those clips. It was fantastic. Loved every single one of them. If you want to send in more clips, you can join the Discord link down below. Add them to the Hololive section. And if you have other just VTuber clips in general, add them to the VTuber clips section. But regardless of that, thank you so much for watching this one. Like, comment, and subscribe because it super helps out the channel. Click that notification bell so you know when the next one is live. And other than that, thank you for coming to the party.